Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, a couple days ago, I put out a video talking about a work from home job opportunity where you can earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 commissions. Okay, so in this video, I pretty much just want to touch base on why this is one of the easiest, if not the easiest, work from home job opportunity ever. Okay, because like I said in the previous video, if you are the type of person who does not mind reaching out to people and don't mind talking, and you're self-motivated, this opportunity, you will make a lot of money. Why? Because all you're doing is reaching out to small business owners in your area, or even, like I said, outside your area. You're offering them something free, okay? Free. And if they get approved, you're going to make money. That's it. You know, there is no, well, you gotta do all this and that, and well, wait, there's a catch. Wait, there's more. No. If you can, get in front of business owners however you prefer to do it. And that's another reason why this is such a great opportunity, because it gives you the freedom to say, hey, you know what? I hate cold calling. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make me a list of local businesses in the area, and I'm going to shoot them an email, to try to, close the deal, so to speak. All right. Or you might be opposite. You might be like, man, I don't care about no phone. I'll call people all day, every day to get this money, right? Because remember, there's no selling. You're not selling anything. You're offering something, right? And keeping it real, yes, you're going to get business owners who don't respond to you. That's part of the game. You're going to get some business owners that say, we're okay. Or we're going to get some business owners who are going to say, cool, thank you. I definitely want to take a look at this. I want to do this, right? But you got to ask yourself, are you the type of person that keeps it moving? Are you the type of person that you hear no or you get ignored and you're like, all right, on to the next one? Because if you are, trust me when I tell you, you can make a lot of cash. All right. So with all these other, opportunities out there, which there are some good ones, but when it comes to just the simplicity of what this is, you can't really beat it. All right. Plus with the earning potential. All right. So keep in mind, this is a commission-based opportunity, but also keep in mind there is no money coming out of your pocket. You don't have to buy a course or anything like that. This is completely, if you get approved, you're actually going to be able to create your own schedule, create your own leads, however you feel comfortable, and you can just earn commission after commission after commission. But you do have to get approved. So if you're interested in doing this type of work, right, all you got to do is click the first link in the description, fill out a very short form, and if you hear back from me, we'll schedule a very short interview just to see if you're the right person for this type of work. But keep in mind, if you're a go-getter and you don't mind reaching out to businesses, if that's you, come on, let's get this money. All right. So check that link out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.